Hello again, Shamil here from Nova Solutions, another entry for our video blog. Today's topic is optimizing images for search engine optimization. So first and foremost, yes, it is important to optimize your images for SEO. It's often the section that's overlooked simply because it takes some time to go through each individual image and optimize it. Some of the basic guidelines to optimize your images. First and foremost, if your website does not use a content management system, it can be a timely effort. You have to go through each of the images in the code itself and optimize different parameters and instill different tags in the HTML code. It's much easier if you're using a content management system, especially something like WordPress. It allows you to quickly write in your descriptions and alt tags and then resize the image very quickly. So first and foremost, we suggest you save the image and change the name of the image. If you look at an image you pulled from the web or you took with your camera, it's usually a bunch of numbers, so you'd want to resave that and name it to what the product is. So make sure that it's a descriptive title. You want to make sure that it's not too long, and at the same time you separate the different words with hyphens. So that's step number one. Step number two, you want to make sure that the image is not too large of a size, simply because you're keeping in mind your loading speed of the page. If you have an image that has thousands of pixels across, and it will take some time to load, which slows down the loading time of your web page and is not good for search engine optimization. So you want to minimize the size of the image, but at the same time make sure that it's visible and does the job which it's there to do, to provide description. Furthermore, there is an attribute called the alt tag. It is used to describe what the image is about. It's giving it it's called alternative text. So when you hover over the image with your mouse, a tag or a label, I guess, or a description comes up. So that's what the alt tag is. You want to make sure you write in the appropriate descriptions for each individual image. For SEO optimization, it's very important, and Google does look at the alt tags. Lastly, if you have a website that's full of images, perhaps you want to create a separate sitemap for images. It helps Google with indexing all the images on your website. It's a good idea if your website is image rich. It's a good idea to optimize your images for your website in general, but it's especially important in a website that's a product catalog or an e-commerce site. It gives each individual item or product that you're displaying an additional image that is associated with the name of that product. The reason to do so is often or not your clients will search for a particular product or for a particular item by its full name. So when they do so, it's a good idea when that item has an image associated with it. Number one, it'll help you come up higher on your search rankings. Number two, if somebody's looking for an image of that item, your image could come up and they'll click on it and eventually end up on your website. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please subscribe. And if you ever feel like you need a consultation in regards to search engine optimization or internet marketing or web design, feel free to call us.